Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an amazing saree to share with you all. This is the pure diamond chiffon saree, beautifully adorned with the 11 butterfly Katdana work. And the best part is it's available just 1200. Let's dive into the detail of this exquisite saree made with pure diamond chiffon. This saree feels incredible light and comfortable to wear. The fabric draped effortlessly, giving you a gracefully and elegance look. Now let's talk about the stunning 11 butterfly Katdana work. Each butterfly is meticulously crafted with shimmering Katdana and creating a mesmerizing effect. The intricate design adds a touch of sophistication and glamour to your saree, and just look at how effortlessly our model carries this saree. The beautifully Katdana catches the lights beautifully, creating a dazzling effect. This saree is perfect for any special occasion and celebration. The attention to detail in this saree are truly remarkable. The Katdana are delicately placed, enhancing the overall designs. You will definitely make a statement when you wear this saree. The pure diamond chiffon saree with the 11 butterfly Katdana work is truly masterpiece, and the best part, it's priced just rupees 1199. This is an incredible deal for such a high quality saree. So guys, why wait? You waiting for? Don't miss out on this extraordinary saree. Click the link in description box below to get your very own pure diamond chiffon saree and beautiful 11 butterfly Katdana work. Thank you for watching our video, and if you enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.